Hey yo, good evening, viewers of YouTube. My name is Tyler, also known as Chico in the crypto space, and welcome to the most informed channel in the space that tells you both sides of the coin, good or bad. It's time for Chico Crypto. Today we will be looking at something good for traders and investors, but not necessarily good in the short term for Bitcoin and crypto projects. I found an amazing tool and website which uses machine learning to predict the prices of cryptocurrencies. But first, let's talk about the price of Bitcoin and my own predictions. Bitcoin has been testing a very critical spot since January 11th, the $3,600 mark, and 2 days ago it collapsed after a large sell-off, reaching nearly $3,400 before correcting back to the price as of yesterday at $3,465. Well, we are 1 day away from the longest bear market in the history of Bitcoin. Yes, January 31st would make this the longest bear market in the history. But wait, hold up. We can't call that just as a yet, because what if we have already touched the bottom? It will only be official if the price of Bitcoin does go past its lowest low. If we zoom out that price chart into December, we can see that Bitcoin reached just above 3,200. To be precise, 3,203 on December 15th. So if we go lower than that, then it will be official. But if we don't, then the last bear market will still be the longest. But as you can see, I haven't cut my hair, so I think it will go lower than 3,200. Yes, I have made the prediction before that 2,600 will be the lowest low of this bear market. When will it come? Fuck if I know, but hitting that target would be nearly the same percentage drop as the last bear market, about 85%. Now, onto the good stuff, the machine learning for cryptocurrency price predictions. I was scouring the web, doing what I do best, and stumbled upon an excellent website, Enroyd.com, ENROYD.com. Enroyd is a free, yes free, because like I say all the time in the crypto space, the best information is always free. Anyone offering paid courses, VIP access, is a hustler, is looking to make money off the backs of the uninformed. Luckily, Chico Crypto is here to inform you. Enroyd provides, of course, those machine learning predictions, but also market sentiment analysis, market correlations, market adjusted prices, and technical indicators. When you first get to the website, you are taken to a CoinMarketCap style of page with cryptocurrencies ranked based on market cap. They include details like volume and market cap, but also volatility percentage, percentage price increase or decrease in time intervals of 10 minutes, 1 hour, or 24 hours. Also, volume changes in time intervals of 10 minutes, 1 hour, and 24 hours. The website keeps track of 135 cryptocurrencies, including the top 9 ranked cryptos based on market cap. And they also leave out Bitcoin Satoshi's vision. I'm sure this was done on purpose because Craig Wright is a disgrace, and SV doesn't stand for Satoshi's vision, it stands for Bitcoin shit version. Now let's get into the good stuff, the predictions. At the top of the page it has a gray predictions button. Give it a click. This now takes you to a similar overview page as the first, but with the predictions of all the ranked and tracked cryptos. They have the mean prediction, as well as the probabilities that it will be lower than sets of differing prices. For example, Bitcoin, there is a 5% chance that the price will be lower than a certain price, and a 95% chance it will be lower than a certain price. Now, let's click into Bitcoin to examine the long-term price predictions. These predictions are for the next 3 months and are based on the Profit module, an open source software released by Facebook core data science team. These are future estimates of price based on past price movements. Just to let you know, you should not base your investment decisions solely on these model predictions because the unpredictability of the crypto markets, especially with pump and dumps. Let's now examine the Bitcoin long-term prediction chart. The top gray dotted line is the upper interval limit, basically saying there's a 95% chance the price will be lower than this price on a given day. And the lower gray dotted line is the lower interval limit, basically saying there's a 5% chance the price will be lower than this on a given day. This now aggregates the two together and comes up with a mean price prediction, the blue line. Now, based on past performance and the model today, the price should be around $2,703. Did this happen? Well, I shot the video yesterday, or today from my point of view, so I don't know, but most likely not. As you can see, the model is not necessarily perfect, as no model can predict the exact price, but the model does update every 24 hours, and they even include a historical long-term prediction chart if you scroll down a bit. With this, you can see how the model has changed. This is the long-term price prediction from 4 weeks ago. As we can see, it predicted today the price would be about $3,003, a bit closer to the actual price. Now you can move along the blue line, checking the prices of each of the models and compare the charts against each other. If we scroll back up to the current long-term prediction model, we can see it gets a little spooky. As we move towards the end of March, the model says we are dipping below 2K USD. This might freak you out, but these prices are not always right, and the website lets you know this by tracking the historical long-term prediction at the bottom of this page. If we go there, the upper gray dotted line is again the upper limit interval, and the lower gray dotted line is a lower limit interval for each day. And the blue line is not the mean price, it's the actual price of Bitcoin on that day. As you can see, the actual price of Bitcoin was hovering on the lower limit and actually broke out of it in November. There was a 5% chance, and it did break out. But it eventually came back into the limits and has been hovering pretty close to the middle of the limits ever since. The final piece of the prediction suite Enroid has is the daily Bitcoin prediction. This uses machine learning to predict price oscillations using past prices and more than 35 technical and other indicators. This model predicts the future coin price 24 hours from now. The green part of the chart is the probability higher, and the blue chart is the probability lower. These prices were on the previous page of all crypto predictions, but looking at them graphically can help those visual learners that much more. Well, viewers, I know some people are going to think this was a sponsored video from Enroid. Nope, this is just something I found through my own personal research, and will be using it to make better investment decisions. I just went through Bitcoin, but they have it for 134 other altcoins. Check it out, learn, and let's keep adjusting to the constantly evolving market conditions. Cheers, I'll see you next time.